up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you comment and say I'm new here, but I'm going to subscribe. I'm on Amazon and I found this wig and it said that it was $69, so I said hold on. I froze up a little bit and I was like, I don't know if I trust it, but I'm gonna get it anyway. Here, okay. First thing that I'm gonna do with this wig is bleach the knots, because I'm not gonna give y'all a wig that y'all can't even bleach the knots on. Okay, that's what we're not gonna do. So this is the wig straight out the bag. The hairline looks pre-plucked. To be honest, I forgot I was supposed to be showing y'all how to bleach y'all knots because I didn't show y'all the last time. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I bleach my knots, because the last video I forgot. Okay, so first and foremost, when you bleaching your knots, what you want to do is with your wig, I take my wig, it's just like this, and what I like to take is, what you're gonna need is this got to be spray. Focus, this spray. Okay, so like what I like to do is basically I take my hairline and I spray it back with freeze spray. Take that and you comb it back. That's just to prevent any of the extra hairs that's already in the wig not getting like bleached, you know what I'm saying. So basically comb it back like this, and I kind of just like do this. I don't use a blow dryer. I kind of just smooth it out just like that, and I do the same thing for all of the parts of the wig. And this, honestly, I'm just gonna use this as part 1 to my video. So after I do that, what I do is, you see it looks just like this. Make sure like all the flyaway hairs are not flying anymore, and I just basically take it and flip it inside out. I have my bowl here, which is this bowl, my powder, which is this one. Hold on, I use this kind. I'll take some, I'll put like one, I'll put 2, so I'll put 2 in there. Close that up. I'll take this 30 volume developer. It's not that much left, so I'm mixing it like that. And when you're doing your knots, you want it to be like a toothpaste like consistency. Ooh, strong. Oh, just see, like the more I keep mixing it, it's getting, because it's still powder left in the bowl, so you just gotta keep doing it. Ooh, y'all finna pass out. Okay, this consistency is perfect right here. So what I like to do is, you start from the back, and you're supposed to use a brush or a knife, whatever you want to use. I'm using this because I don't have my brush with me. So you just basically start from the back though. Whenever you bleach your knots, you always start from the back, because you gotta think like you don't want your front processing so quick. So you always start from the back. And once I get the back accomplished for everything, then I start moving up towards the front. See? So after I do this, it should look like this. And so what I do is I take it like this, flip it over. You see how I got some pieces with bleach on it? I take these pieces and I just wipe it off if I do that. That's because I have the hair sitting on my hand, so you just take it and you rub out those pieces. But I just don't want to over bleach, so you make sure you pull everything up, even in the middle areas. Take it, pull it up. Like, it'll look like this, but you just want to make sure that everything's not laying flat when you do this process. I'm going to let this sit on here for about 15 minutes because I use 50 and 30. So 50 volume developer processes fast, but as of right now, this is how it looks. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm going to let this sit for about 15 minutes and then we're going to come back and check it. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this out now. This side has processed a lot more than the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse everything out and show y'all. Okay, so now that I have bleached my wig, some of the knots, as you can see, let me see. So you see like this orangish tone, the yellow tone in the hair. What we gonna do to fix that is we're gonna take our purple shampoo, which I normally mix purple shampoo into a bowl. This is how it looks. Hopefully it's focusing. The purple shampoo, which is this shampoo, Shimmer Lights shampoo. Pour it into a bowl, some of it. Like, that's enough. You don't need, honestly, that's probably too much. You don't even need that much. I take it, I turn the water on and mix it like this. See how you have a purple concoction? I mix it up like all the way up. Make sure that the purple color is really dissolved into the water. I take the wig, which is, you see how it looks now. Take this part of the wig, which is the frontal part, and I dip it into this bowl. And I'll let it sit in there. I put it just like this. Like, honestly, you can't just put the stuff directly on the knots. But I like to sit mine into a bowl of it. And I'll let that sit for as long as I need it. Like, I don't know. It's not even a certain time frame for this. But I just do it like this. That's just my personal way of doing it. So I'll come back when that's done. Okay, we are back. As you can see, a lot of this got soaked up by the hair. Like, the hair will absorb all of that color. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all see the difference. But look. It's not orange and brassy anymore. It looks brown. That's why sometimes over bleaching is cool. Because look. Let me see if y'all can come up close and see. Okay, y'all. So I went and got me this white little towel. This is going to be able to help us pluck our fucking eyes. Hey y'all, I'm back. So basically we're done. I went and got a white towel. Because like white towel's going to help you be able to guide and see your knots. See how it looks just like this? I like to do, in order for you not to pluck your middle part, you never want to pluck your middle part, ever. When you're doing this, you don't want to pluck your middle part. So you're going to take the wig and you're going to take each side of this, one side, this side, and this side. You're going to take it and you're going to fold this in half. Fold this in half, match it up like this. So you see, just like this. Hold on. Grip it together just like this. And you see how it gives you that crease right there? So that natural crease, you're going to take a flat iron and you're going to flat iron that crease. And this is how you get your middle part. You do not want to pluck your middle part. And that is your middle part. Do not pluck the middle part. So now you have your middle part. Do you see how strong of a middle part it is? Like, you can see it. It's literally, you don't have a mannequin head, which I don't use the mannequin head when I'm plucking anymore. I like to take my kneecap and pluck, which is this. So my thing is, I'm probably gonna move my camera around the other way, but you see how the knots look now? They look damn good. That's what I mean when I say if you over bleach it just a little bit and then set it off with that purple shampoo, it's gonna look realistic. We take them like this. I like to pull out all of the hairs in the front. I pull those out. You always want to pull those out when it comes to doing this. So I'm gonna pull out the hairline in the front up there. And the hairline back that's right there. We're going to pull that out and comb it back. And the same thing over here. I got these kind of clip tweezers, which is not recommended for nobody that's beginning out to pluck. Do not use these. So I'm going to use the pluck skip method, which I'm going to pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, like this. And I'm going to keep doing that throughout the whole wig. You know, skip, pluck, 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 skip. See? And see how you already like creating that indentation that you need. Then you're gonna go in, not in the same spots. You just go in different spots and do the same thing. And as you're doing this, you can move back into the hairline, like back further. Oh. Like where it's denser at, like here, you got a little bit of density. You just keep on doing that. That's how you pluck. And eventually you'll have the hairline that you want. I'm gonna go in and pull some more hair out. Like me, I'm the type to pull out some more hair. I'm gonna pull out all of this hair and then start plucking again. Because like this side obviously is ending, so you don't pluck that, but this is not ending. So up in here we're gonna create some more indentation. So then I'm gonna take this and brush it back. Brush all of this back, and then I'm gonna go in and create the little spacings that I need here. See, as it's getting thinner, everything is getting thinner. But you just gotta know what you want to do when you're doing this. Just like a plug skip. Don't keep on plucking in the same places. You don't want to create bald spots. So you just keep doing that. I just do it and be very careful. This is a little dense here, but rest of the wig. But right now I plucked the wig how I would like it on both sides. That is our middle part there, so you don't have to worry about that. Well, our middle part is here, right there. I'll pluck this part and this part later on. What I'm gonna do is dry the wig and come back.